I am so happy right now. I never expected to see something this magnificent. Day 2 in Greenland, and on today's agenda is flying to Ilulissat. We are at Kangerlussuaq Airport. Guess what? Security is here, but it's closed. But we are boarding the plane already, so domestic flight, you don't have to check your luggage. You counted 29 people?
I think so.
So here's Ilulissat.
With the most beautiful view.
Oh yeah.
Well, you can see the icebergs, they're stuck.
What do you mean stuck?
There's moraine on the water. They cannot move on before they're being pushed by the other big icebergs.
Oh yeah.
Choose the wrong name. Iceland should be a Greenland.
Exactly.
And this should be Iceland. But it's funny, in history for the first time Greenland is green. Like Corona.
Oh yeah.
Corona is everywhere, in Greenland, nothing. Not yet. The mountains you can see behind there, Disco Island.
That is Disco Island?
Yes.
Oh cool. Just gonna go for a hike here in Ilulissat because the weather is amazing. I'm going to hike the blue trail in combination with the red trail. It's gonna be a loop hiking toward the ice field. Oh my god. This view. Oh my god, look at this. At the end of the wooden plank, these are all icebergs. Oh my gosh, this is incredible. This is so beautiful. Oh my god. I am so happy right now. I never expected to see something this magnificent. Look at this place. This is absolutely amazing. Look behind me, all the icebergs melting from the field. We're in Ilulissat and at the old settlement. How do you like it?
It's amazing.
Best place ever?
Yeah, sure. It's like a dream.
Yeah, never expected to see something like this, except for in maybe Antarctica. Day 2 in Ilulissat. This place is just so magical. Since I arrived in Greenland, my only reaction to everything was just either oh my god or WTF, I can't believe this is happening. This is just indescribable. In the afternoon around 6 o'clock, we are going to do a boat tour to see the icebergs for sunset. And you see that the ocean is already freezing. It is about -7 Celsius. And what's interesting about this port here is the entrance to the boats are two whaleboats. Thank you for watching this vlog. I really hope you enjoyed it. Ilulissat, it's just such a special place to me. Just standing there physically in front of all these icebergs. It was really an emotional experience. I was just generally so happy. And even now, when I'm editing these videos, I just couldn't stop smiling. If you enjoy watching this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. I still have a lot more to show on Greenland and on other nature wonders on this planet. And since you stayed until the very end, I have something even more special for you. This is something happened during our sunset boat tour, so please enjoy this magical moment.